Hey guys, David Rishka here. I'm recording this video actually in beautiful Arizona. Today is March the 7th and I'm out in the desert. It's about 78 degrees outside and I'm recording this video because I want to share with you my personal journey about how I came to America about 20 years ago with only 500 bucks in my pocket, and I was sleeping in a rat-infested basement on a couch for 7 months. I was working with my friends on the construction site, but the company was having financial issues, so I didn't even get paid for the first 2 months, and I was in all kinds of troubles. I didn't even have money for food for a while, but thanks God for good friends, right? But anyways, I want to share how I was able to create financial and geographic freedom for myself, and I would love to take the opportunity and help as many people as possible to achieve the same thing, so that you don't have to go to work 5 days a week working 40 or more hours for the man, you know, trying to make somebody else rich. So I'm gonna leave a button below this video, or you can just click on this video that will take you to the next page, and I'll share with you some more information over there, and hope to see you on the other side, my friend. Later.